Good morning, Piney Woods Photographic Society. I wanted to do a quick video this morning about resizing resizing photographs. And some of our members don't use Lightroom or Photoshop to edit their photos, so that makes resizing photos a little bit of a challenge. So I came up with something this morning that I hope will make things a whole lot easier. I've got a folder over here called Sizing. If I open that folder, you will see 3 photographs that I created, and these are fairly large photographs. You'll notice right now this one's 6 megs, this one's 16 megs, this one's 15 megs. So these are fairly big files. They're not going to upload onto the onto the website very easily. But it's not necessarily the size so much that we're concerned with, it's the dimensions. And you don't see the dimensions here. But if you go over to the View menu and you click on the Details panel, now when you click on one of these, you actually see the details of that photo. And notice the dimensions are right here. And the dimensions here are fairly large. And what we're shooting for is a dimension of a long edge of about 1200 pixels. So this one is about 3 times larger than it needs to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to resize these using Windows. So I'm going to go ahead and close this folder, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder, and that new folder is going to be called Resized. Okay, and that's where I'm going to end up putting the pictures that I resize. So now what I'm going to do is open this original folder back up, and I'm just going to click and drag across all of these to select them. And then I'm going to right click on one of them, it doesn't matter which one, and I'm going to come down to Send To, and I'm going to select Mail Recipient. Now we're not actually going to mail these to anybody, but this is how you have to get to this resize. Brings up an option to picture size, and we're going to click on this drop down, and you'll notice that the large is actually 1280 by 1024, which is close to what we need. So we're going to go ahead and select that and click Attach. And what's going to happen is it's going to resize all of those photos, and then it's going to pop up your email program. So I'm going to go ahead and close this folder. It pops up your email with those 3 pictures attached to it in the new sizes. See the new sizes? They're 200K around roughly. So it has resized these pictures. Now we don't need to leave them in this email. We just need to get them out of it. So we're going to click and select. Hold down the Shift key. Click on the other 2. And then we're going to right click on one of those, and we're going to copy. Now we need to get back to the desktop to that folder we just created. So if you'll come down here all the way to the bottom right hand corner, there's a little space right over here, and if you click on it, it will take you back to your desktop. Then we're going to go to our resized folder, and we're going to right click inside of that folder, and we're going to paste. And there are our 3 new resized pictures, and if I click on it, you'll notice that the dimensions have actually changed. Now all of these are 1200 by 853, which is what they needed to be. So now these pictures are ready to upload. Now we don't need the email anymore, so we can just close it and it will trash that email. If you get any kind of messages, we're just going to say no, we don't want to worry about that. So now you have 3 resized pictures ready to upload to the website.